Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg but keep the yolk runny. First, select fresh, large eggs for optimal results. You will need a small saucepan filled with enough water to cover your eggs by about 1 inch. Bring this water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Also, have an ice bath ready. This is crucial for stopping the cooking process precisely when needed, ensuring that perfect runny yolk every time. Now for the cooking itself. Gently lower your eggs into the vigorously boiling water using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. Maintain a consistent, gentle boil throughout the entire cooking period. For a perfectly runny yolk in a large egg, boil it for precisely 6 minutes. If your eggs are smaller, you might reduce this by 30 seconds. For extra large, add 30 seconds. Once your eggs have cooked for the precise time, it is critical to stop the cooking process immediately. Transfer them from the hot water directly into the prepared ice bath. Let them cool there for at least 2 minutes. This rapid cooling helps prevent further cooking and makes peeling much easier. To peel, gently tap the whiter end of the egg, then peel under cold, running water for smooth shell removal. Finally, it is time to enjoy your perfectly soft-boiled eggs. Serve them immediately to savor that warm, runny yolk. They are absolutely delicious with buttered toast points, a sprinkle of sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. An egg cup can provide a lovely, classic presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so do not hesitate to experiment slightly with cooking times to find your ideal runny yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.